Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I intend to make videos to share my thoughts and learnings in data analytics, data science, and artificial intelligence. So for today, I'm going to cover a FAQ, which is what are the common tools for data science. So one of the common tools for data science is Excel. Why Excel? Excel is a quick way of crunching numbers, especially if you want to generate summary statistics like mean, median, mode, minimum, maximum, and correlation as well. But most people, what they use Excel for is pivot table, as it is a very strong tool for analysis if you want to look at two columns in the data. Most people are also very comfortable in using Excel to clean the data. However, this is not ideal. Why? Because the steps cannot be repeated easily, or what we call non-reproducible. As in, you can do all the steps already, but it's not going to be easy for you to pass these steps to another person to repeat the whole thing again. Next is structured query language, or in short, we call it SQL. SQL is a language that is used to query and extract data in databases. It is made up of clauses, and depending on the database that you're using, there are minor differences between them, but most of the time they do have a standard syntax. So what does SQL language look like? It looks something like this. So select student ID, comma, age, comma, gender, comma, name. That is selecting the columns from Greenwich _ secondary 1. That is the table you're going to extract the columns from, where class equals to 1A. So that will be the filter. Order by student ID means you're going to sort the final table with the student ID. Next is visualization tool. So we use Power BI and Tableau mostly. They are a dashboarding tool as well. And how you interact with it is point and click. Now, Power BI has a lot of templates that you can use to generate all kinds of different visualization. Tableau is pretty limited, but if you need to generate your own special visualization, most of the time you can get those materials online. For me, I usually go to YouTube to look for other videos that can help to generate those visualization, like donut charts, ranking, lollipop charts, and so on and so forth. So those are good resources you can refer to if you want to build your own special visualization using Tableau. Next up, we have Python and R. So how do we interact with Python and R is we use codes to interact with it. Now, since you're writing codes, generally it is reproducible, meaning that you can reproduce the steps easily. Thus, it is very good for automating tasks. So how do you use Python and R to interact with data, Will be where we load library and packages. And this library and packages have specialized tools to make our work easier in interacting with the data. So currently, right now, Python is the more common one. So it'll be a good tool to start off with. Now, in conclusion, it is good to learn the suggested tools to start your journey, but please be mindful that tools comes and goes, and really whether they will stay in the industry or not really depends on how wide the adoption is. I strongly encourage everyone who's watching this video to learn the concepts first, and then after that apply through the current tools. So concepts is more important rather. Because remember, at the end of the day, data science is about solving business challenges with data. It's not about the kind of tools that you know how to use. So thank you very much. I hope this video helps in your data learning journey. Do consider giving this video a like and subscribe to my channel. To stay in touch and feedback, please look for me on LinkedIn. And if you are interested to read my other posts, do go to my website. I do podcasting as well, where I invite fellow data professionals to share their data science journey. So if you're interested, you can go to your favorite podcast platform and look for Symbolic Connection. Thank you very much.